Hello everybody, it's Bub.
And it's Georgia.
And we got a box in the mail. Alrighty guys, we got this box in the mail from Pafford Homestead, and we was on a live stream with them like 2 weeks ago, and I won. They had a giveaway and I won. So we're gonna unbox this right here and see what kind of goodies we got. I've already got it open. And there. Alright, first we got a cross. I think it's backwards because I got thing, but it says, "Love one another as I have loved you." John 13:34. That is cool. And let's see what else we got in here. Oh, we got another plaque, and it says, "Rejoice always," and it's probably backwards again.
I think it's a magnet.
Yep, we think it's a magnet. What else we got in here? Okay. We got some jars of something. And let me get my knife out and see if we can open these up. Taped up. Alright, it'll take me a minute. They got them taped up good. They packaged real well. There we go. Let's see. What is this? Oh man. It is blueberry jalapeno. What are you doing?
I'm messaging the dude. Sorry.
And it looks like they make this homemade themselves. So we're going to have to do a taste test. Let's see what else we got in here. Open this up. Oh. Man, I should have got in here and opened these up before, but I didn't. Let's see, we got just straight out jalapeno jelly. And like I said, it's got their label on it, so I'm pretty sure that they make it themselves. And by the way, I'll have their link down below where y'all can go and check their channel out. There's a really nice couple, and go check them out. Let's see, the third jar. All right, look at that. Let's see what this is. Grammy's little, my glasses are not.
Grammy's little candied firecracker jalapenos.
Firecracker jalapenos. That sounds interesting as heck. I bet you it might be a little bit spicy too. It got the seeds in it. Let's see that in here. Oh. Let's see if I can get this out now. There we go.
Cherry jalapeno.
Yep, cherry jalapeno. Sounds really good too. Why don't you go in there and get the crackers and a spoon where we do a little taste test. Oh. Get rid of that. And we got a little basket for it too. A little pretty basket. That is cool. My wife will enjoy that. Alrighty guys, let's get into this taste test. Which one do you want to taste first?
One of the fruity ones.
One what?
Fruity ones.
Fruity. Let's see. The cherry. What does it smell like?
Good.
Get Get you a cracker. Here you go. Smells good. Yeah, it's really good.
Kind of spicy but good.
Got a little kick to it. Yep, that's really good. Up. Yep. Woo. How about the blueberry? We're gonna try the blueberry now. There you go. That's really good. But blueberry is my favorite. Yep, that's really good. Alrighty, here we go. I'm gonna wait till last to do that one because that might be hot. Now we're just gonna do regular jalapeno. Yeah, they want to come spicy.
How spicy is it? How spicy?
No spicy. About the same as the rest of them. That's really good. They did a heck of a job on these. Alright, and the last one. Ooh, I bet you that one is spicy. It's got whole jalapenos in it. Look at that thing. Let me try it out first.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Whoa. Come on, get on there. Look at that for me. Whoop, there it is. No, it's not hot. Well, maybe that's got a little bite to it at the end. But they're all really good. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please go over to Pafford's Homestead and give them a check out and give them a sub. Y'all have a good one, and I'll see you all in the next video.